sometimes quietly, sometimes pretty loudly, how we work, create, even just live our lives. Our mission here is simple. Dig into the sources you've shared and pull out the key insights on this really transformative tech.
Yeah, and understanding these changes is, well, it's vital right now.
Yeah.
The idea is to cut through all the noise, all the complexity. We want to help you quickly grab the most important stuff about AI, give you a clear path through what can feel, frankly, a bit overwhelming. What's really striking is just how embedded AI already is and how fast it's still moving.
Okay, so let's start with work, where most of us spend a lot of our time. AI isn't just about automating tasks away, is it? It feels like it's actually redesigning roles.
Exactly. It's a fundamental redesign across so many different sectors. I mean, think about customer service. Some reports are saying AI chatbots are handling something like 80% of routine queries now.
80%. Wow, that's huge.
It is. And it makes you ask, okay, where does the human element provide the real value now? Or look at law. You have AI tools that can sift through thousands of documents in, minutes?
Right, something that used to take junior lawyers days, probably weeks sometimes.
Precisely. And in medicine, too, AI detecting early signs of disease from scans, sometimes with accuracy matching top specialists. These aren't just small tweaks. They're really foundational shifts in how professional work gets done, the speed, the precision.
It's interesting, though, because while it's changing jobs, our sources also say it's creating new ones, right? Completely new roles.
Oh, absolutely. That's the other side of the coin. We're seeing jobs pop up like prompt engineers, people who get really good at telling the AI exactly what to do.
Right, crafting those instructions.
Yeah, and AI ethicists, super important role in making sure these things are developed responsibly. Digital twin designers too.
Yeah.
Building virtual models of things. It's a whole new area.
So how do people even prepare for that? For jobs that didn't exist a few years ago and for this pace of change?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
The World Economic Forum has this prediction. Pretty startling. They reckon 44% of core job skills will change in the next 5 years.
44%, just let that sink in 5 years.
Yeah.
That's not just updating your LinkedIn profile. It's like, it's a complete rewrite of the workplace playbook, as one source put it.
It really is. It suggests that, the old idea of job security based on what you know, that's shifting. The new security might be more about how quickly you can learn, how adaptable you are.
Perpetual adaptability. Okay, so moving beyond the office. What about creativity? This is where it gets fascinating, maybe a bit contentious too. Can machines actually be creative? I mean, AI is writing music, designing logos, even poetry now.
That's the big debate, yeah. What our sources seem to suggest is that it's maybe less about AI being creative like a human is, and more about how it amplifies our own creativity. Think of it as a collaborator, maybe, a very powerful one.
Okay, an amplifier. How does that work in practice?
Well, take artists. They're using AI to generate visual ideas, things they might never have come up with on their own. It's like exploring new visual territories. Or musicians using AI to remix sounds, maybe build complex harmonies, simulate instruments they don't play. It just opens up possibilities. And for writers, AI can help brainstorm plot points, or tweak the tone of a piece, or just break through writer's block sometimes. It's a tool for the human process.
But there's tension there. The sources definitely touch on the concerns, right? Like the fear AI could just flood everything with generic stuff.
Absolutely. That's a real concern.
Yeah.
Does it devalue human originality if the market is saturated? And it blurs the lines too. What counts as authentic art when a machine is heavily involved? These are big questions about value and meaning.
Yeah.
So the challenge really becomes, how do we keep creativity human-led? How do we make sure AI stays a tool, a powerful assistant, rather than the artist itself? Defining that relationship, that partnership is key.
Okay, so from work and creativity, let's bring it right down to everyday life. Because AI is already here, isn't it? Often in ways we don't even notice.
Oh, completely. It's in your pocket, literally. Your phone's keyboard predicting your next word. That's AI.
Right. Or Google Maps rerouting you because of traffic it detected.
Exactly. Using AI-driven traffic data. Or smart fridges suggesting recipes based on what you've got inside.
Yeah, mine does that. It's slightly creepy sometimes, but useful.
It is. And think about Netflix or Spotify. Their recommendation engines are pure AI, learning your tastes, suggesting what you might like next, often scarily accurately.
Yeah, sometimes better than I know myself. It's pervasive, like you said, and often invisible.
And this personalization goes into really important areas too, like healthcare. Wearables tracking your vital signs. AI algorithms are often analyzing that data, looking for anomalies, giving you personalized health insights. It's like having a tiny vigilant health monitor with you.
And one source mentioned something I found surprising. AI companions being used for emotional support, particularly with teens.
Yes, that's an emerging and perhaps more complex application. It raises different sorts of questions. But stepping back, all this integration, it's more than just convenience, isn't it? It signals a real shift in how we interact with the world, how we navigate it. We're becoming increasingly intertwined with these intelligent systems.
Which inevitably leads us to the bigger questions, the philosophical stuff, the ethical considerations that come with all this power.
Right. And a really crucial point that comes up in the sources is that AI isn't neutral. It can't be.
How so?
Well, it fundamentally reflects the data it was trained on. It reflects the biases, intended or unintended, of the people who created it. It reflects the values embedded in its design and use. The output isn't just objective information. It's shaped by its origin.
Okay, that's huge. And it leads straight to those tough questions the sources raise, the ones we really need to grapple with. Like, who's actually controlling these algorithms? Especially when they make decisions that affect our lives, often without transparency. And how do we protect privacy when so much data is being gathered and analyzed?
That's a massive challenge.
And what happens when AI makes a call we don't understand, or one that seems just wrong, but we can't see the reasoning? These aren't just tech problems.
No, absolutely not. That's the core message, really. The future of AI isn't just a technical puzzle for engineers. It's deeply ethical, it's social, it's fundamentally human. It's something we all have a stake in shaping.
So, wrapping up this deep dive, it feels like the central idea we've pulled from the sources is that AI acts almost like a mirror.
A mirror. Yeah, I think that's a powerful way to put it.
It reflects back at us what we value, maybe what we fear, and perhaps even what we're becoming as a society through our interaction with it.
Exactly. And if AI is this mirror, then maybe the final thought for you, the listener, is this. Which parts of our humanity, our creativity, our ethics, the way we connect with each other, which parts are most important to consciously protect and nurture as AI becomes even more integrated into everything? Because the future isn't just something that happens to us. We have a chance, maybe even a responsibility, to actively engage with it, to help shape it, not just react.